Hello there everyone, I'm Lydia from Altenew and I'm just popping in to let you know about something a little bit new. So you may already know that we do release a new painter flower set on the 22nd of every month. In the painter flower you're going to receive a 4x6 stamp set, which includes a beautiful outline image for you to colour with your favourite colouring mediums. What we do now have is a subscription, so this means that you won't miss out on any of the new painter flowers that we do release every month. So if this is something that interests you, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe.